Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the duration of still images in DaVinci Resolve. This is a really useful skill to have when you're working with photos or graphics in your video projects and want them to display for a specific amount of time. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it's up and running, you'll want to head to the top of your screen. Look for where it says DaVinci Resolve in the menu bar and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Preferences. This is where all the customization and settings for your application live, so it's an important area to get familiar with. When the Preferences window opens, you'll see a few different tabs available at the top. What you need to do next is click on User. This tab contains all the settings specific to how you work within the software, from editing preferences to interface options. Now, on the left side of this window, you'll notice a list of different categories. Scroll through or simply look for the option labeled Editing and click on it. This section controls all the default behaviors related to your editing workflow, including timeline settings and how different media types are handled. Within the editing section, there's a subsection called General Settings. Look carefully through the options listed here until you find one that says Standard Still Duration. This is the setting that determines how long still images will play by default when you drop them into your timeline. Right beside Standard Still Duration, you'll see two fields. The first one lets you choose whether you want to edit the duration in seconds or frames. Simply click on the dropdown and select what works best for you. For this example, let's go ahead and click seconds. Once you've made that selection, you'll notice another field right next to it. This is where you can actually change the seconds duration of the still images. Type in whatever value you want your still images to default to, whether that's 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or any other amount that fits your workflow. After you've entered your preferred duration, make sure to click Save. This confirms all the changes you've made and applies them to your DaVinci Resolve settings moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default duration for still images in DaVinci Resolve. Now, every time you bring a photo or graphic into your timeline, it'll automatically be set to the length you specified, saving you time and keeping your editing process smooth. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.